Good morning, dear students. Let us now continue with practice set 36. Okay, the word problems. Now, the first word problem. Rakesh's age is 5 years less than Sania's age. The sum of their ages is 27. How old are they? Let us take the first statement. Rakesh's age is 5 years less than Sania's age. So here Rakesh's age is compared to Sania's age. He is 5 years less than Sania. Then what is the age of Sania? So let us first write the age of Sania. Now since here it is not given to us what is the age of Sania, so we will consider it as x. So we say, let us write here solution. Let Sania's age be x years, because we are not given what is the age of Sania. So we say let Sania's age be x years. So now I can say what is Rakesh's age, because Rakesh's age is 5 years less than Sania. So therefore Rakesh's age is now 5 years less than Sania. That means Sania is x and then minus 5. So this is Rakesh's age. Okay? Did you get that? Sania is x years, then 5 years less than Sania means x minus 5. Now what is the condition given here? The sum of their ages is 27. So this is the condition. The sum of their ages is 27. So we say by the given condition, sum means what? Adding both. That is Rakesh's age and Sania's age. That is x plus x minus 5. The sum of the ages is, that is equal to how much? 27. So 27. So this is how we frame the equation. And then we will continue with that. So therefore, now I'll open the bracket first. So when the bracket is there, you have to open. So x, then plus x, plus into minus is minus, and 5 is equal to 27. So x plus x is, so 2x. And then whatever the like terms, we bring it together as I told you. So minus 5 will go there. So this will be 27, which is already there. And now minus 5 is changing its place from the left hand side to the right hand side. So minus 5 will become plus 5. So here, therefore, 2x is equal to 27 plus x 5 is 32, correct? Upon 2, 32. Then, therefore, x is equal to 32 upon 2. 2 ones are 2. Then 1 remained over here, 2 6 are 12. So therefore x is equal to 16. Correct? So now here see this 2, what is multiplied here will be divided here. So once I get x is equal to 16, now we wrote here Sania's age is what? X years. So we say therefore Sania's age is 16 years and Rakesh's age is, now Rakesh's age is x minus 5. So that is x minus 5. Okay, that is equal to how much? 16 minus 5, because we got the value of x as 16. So 16 minus 5. So that is how much? Is equal to 11 years. So this is how we have to write the sum. I hope everyone understood. Now we take the second sum, second word problem. In a grove, 60 more saplings of jambul were planted than those of Ashoka. If there are altogether 200 saplings, find the saplings of jambul. Now, in a grove, 60 more saplings of jambul were planted than those of Ashoka. Now, what is compared to what? Saplings of jambul is compared to saplings of then those of Ashoka sap. Okay, so that means, now what is compared with what? That first we have to see. So since saplings of jambuls are compared with Ashoka, first let us find out how much saplings of Ashokas are there. So now we don't know how much saplings of Ashoka are there, because here it is compared with Ashoka. So first we have to write how many saplings of Ashokas are there. So we say, so when nothing is given of Ashoka, so we consider it as x. So that is how we say, let the saplings of Ashoka be x. Okay. Now if Ashoka saplings are x, now compared to Ashoka sapling, how many saplings of jambuls are there? 60 more saplings. Okay. So therefore, the saplings of jambul are how many? Okay, more than Ashoka. So Ashoka is x and 60 more than Ashoka, that means plus 60. Okay, now since jambul saplings are compared with Ashoka and they have not given us the number of saplings of Ashoka, so we consider it as x, and then it is more than Ashoka sapling, that is 60 more. So that is why we write here the saplings of jambuls are x plus 60. Now all together, this is the condition. All together they are how many saplings? 200 saplings. Okay, so this is the condition. So by the given condition, so the condition what is given, that is we have to frame the equation. So by the given condition, Ashoka sapling, that is x, then all together they said no, plus jambul sapling, that is x plus 60, together makes how much? 200 saplings. All together 200 saplings. Okay, so therefore we open the bracket now. Therefore x plus x plus 60 is equal to 200. Now here plus x, plus into plus is plus, and then this 60. No other number is there to be multiplied here with x and 60. So we just open and write it as it is. Now x plus x is 2x, and then 200, and now 60 is changing from left hand side to the right hand side. So that is plus 60 will become minus 60. So therefore 2x is equal to 140. Correct? Then therefore x is equal to 140 upon 2, that is 2 1 the 2, 2 7 the and 0, 70. Now I got x, that is the value of x is 70. Now in the question they have asked us to find the saplings of jamun. So jamun saplings are how many? X plus 60. So therefore, okay, I'll write it over here. So therefore, x plus 60 is equal to, now what is the value for x? 70. 70, sorry, I'll write it down. X plus 60 is equal to 70 plus 60, that is how much? 130. Correct? So if x plus 60 is equal to 130, then how many saplings of jamuns were there? So there were 130 saplings. So therefore 130 saplings of jamun were planted. I hope you have understood this sum. Now we move on to the next one. The next sum. Shubhangi has twice as many 20 rupee notes as she has 50 rupee notes. Altogether she has 2700. How many 50 rupee notes does she have? So what is the first step? First we have to compare. Okay, we have to first compare. Now what is compared to what? Now here 20 rupee notes are compared to 50 rupee note. Shubhangi is having 2 times, that is twice, as many 20 rupees note as she has 50 rupee notes. So now here, how many notes of 50 rupees are here? We don't know. So that is why we will write it as X notes, because we don't know how many notes are there, and 20 rupee notes are compared with 50 rupee notes. So that is why first we should know how many notes of 50 rupee are there. So let us say let, okay, first I'll write here solution, then we will say let the 20 rupee note notes with Shubhangi be X. Okay, sorry 50 rupee note, because the notes are compared with 50 rupees na. 20 rupees notes are compared with 50 rupee. So let the 50 rupee notes with Shubhangi be X. So if 50 rupee notes with Shubhangi is X, so how many notes of 20 rupees are there? It is 2 times of 50 rupee note. It is twice as many 20 rupees note as she has 50 rupee note. So that means 2 times of 50 rupee note. So therefore, the 20 rupee note, now we say, is how many? 2x. 2 times of x. Okay, twice it is said. Now, what is the condition? Altogether, she has 2700. So, by the condition, by the given condition, by the given condition, now the 50 rupee amount and 20 rupee amount together will make 2700. Now here they have given us the amount. and here we have only written about the notes. So how many notes of 50 rupees are there? X note. So we say X into 50. Okay. Now why we are multiplying with 50? With the notes with 50, whatever we multiply, we will get the amount of 50 rupees ka. Okay. Then plus, because all together it is 7. And then 20 rupee notes, how many she is having? 2x. So 2x into 20. Did you get that? So 50 rupees amount plus 20 rupees amount all together will make the amount of 2700. Okay, so they have given us the amount. Okay, so we cannot only take the notes, we have to take the amount of 50 rupee notes and the amount of 20 rupee notes together to make 2700. So x into 50 will be 50x, then plus 2x into 20 will be 40x. Okay, x into 50 will be 50x plus 2x into 20 will be 40x. So that together will make 2700. So this is 50x plus 90x, both are like terms, so 90x is equal to 2700. Then we keep x here, and then 2700, what is multiplied here will be divided. 1 0 1 0 cancel, 9 1s are 9 3s are 27 and 0s are 0. So therefore x is equal to 30. Now what is the question? Now they have said how many 50 rupee notes does she have? So I got the value of x as 30. So I said, no, let the 50 rupee notes with Shubhangi be x. So if the x value is 30, that means how many notes does she have, Shubhangi? She has 30 notes of 50 rupees. So therefore I say, therefore Shubhangi has 30 notes of 50 rupees. Okay, so this is how. I hope you have understood. Only thing you have to make note that when you are writing, because then when we say this x, these are notes. So condition, as per the condition, they have said the total amount. So the amount of 50 rupees plus the amount of 20 rupees is making the amount 2700. So just don't write x and 2x over here. So when you are writing the condition here, it is the amount with 50 rupees. So that is why we have multiplied 50 with x and 20 with 2x to get the total amount. Okay. Then the next one, or the last sum of the chapter. Virat made twice as many runs as Rohit. Now the total of their scores is 2 less than double century. How much is double century? 200. No, 100 makes 1 century. Double century means 200. Now how many runs did each of them make? Let us first see. Virat made twice as many runs as Rohit. Now Virat's run are compared with Rohit's run. Okay, Virat's run is compared with Rohit's run. So that is why first we will write how many runs did Rohit make. So now since they have not given how many runs Rohit made, so we say let Rohit's score, okay, we say let Rohit score x runs. So if Rohit scores x run, therefore Virat scored how many? Virat's twice as many runs. So 2 times of Rohit's run, that is 2x runs. Now, what is the condition? Together they score 2 less than double centuries. So by the given condition, together they score, no? Together means both together, that is x plus 2x is equal to 2 less than double century, that is double century is 200 minus 2 less than this double century. Got it? I repeat again, since Virat's run is compared with Rohit's run, that is why first we write Rohit's score. So Rohit's runs are x runs, so therefore Virat's run will be 2 times of x, because twice as many runs they said, no? So 2x. So Virat scored 2x runs. So therefore according to the given condition, they said 2 less than double century. They have the total score. So the total score means x plus 2x is equal to 200 minus 2. Now since they are like terms, so 1x plus 2x is 3x and 200 minus 2 is 198. Okay, so therefore x is equal to 198 divided by 3. What is multiplied will be divided over here. 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 1 carry over here, 3 6 are 18. So therefore x is equal to 66. Now what they have asked us in the question, how many runs did each of them make? So Rohit's score is x runs, that is x means 66 runs, and Virat scored 2x runs, that is 2x means 2 multiplied by 66. So we say therefore Rohit scored 66 runs and Virat scored 2x runs, that is 2 multiplied by 66 is equal to how much? 2 multiplied by 66 will be 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12 and 1 13. So 132 runs. So this is how we get the score for Rohit and Virat. So I hope you all have understood the given word problems. If you have any doubt, you can go through it again and again and get your doubts clear, and if at all you need to ask anything, you can ask. Thank you.